Ladies and gentlemen, once again Meghan Markle turned the red carpet entrance into a full-blown spectacle, the kind that makes you think there's only one celebrity left in the world, her. The moment the lights hit, you could practically see her switch into performance mode, oh my god. The camera is on me, face activated, shoulder barré, fake smile ready, and that classic vibe, I'm innocent. All eyes are on me. Every move was so exaggerated that you couldn't tell if this was a photo or the premiere of a new reality series called The Duchess, a drama in hell. Within the first 5 seconds, fake laughter, overacting, and that desperate, I'm so relatable energy. Everyone around her was trying to behave naturally for the camera. But Meghan, she only wanted one thing, herself in every single frame. And standing beside her, poor Tyler, his expression said it all, that classic, Matt. What did he get himself into? Look. You could almost hear him thinking, just take the photo before she turned this into a full-on show. Then came the famous, fake surprise moment, when Meghan spots Someone 3 feet away and gasped dramatically like she's just run into a long lost friend. The problem? That person had been standing there for 10 minutes straight. Next up, the hughless gesture, more a performance, so carefully staged you they think there was an award for Best Scripted Hug of the Year. And then that log. The kind that says, I'm hilarious, while everyone else politely smiles just to survive the moment. Other celebs were waiting for their turn on the red carpet. But Meghan, she had no intention of giving up the spotlight. Every pose, every glance meticulously aimed at impressing the camera. Then came the classic, nervous adjustment, fixing the dress, touching the hair, pretending to look confident. Honestly, it felt like watching a royal-level TikTok in real life. By the end of the scene, everyone else seemed exhausted except her Ignis of overacting, still performing for her imaginary audience. This wasn't a red carpet. It was a one-woman show starring, always, the queen of overaction, Meghan Markle. But oh no, the story doesn't end there. The red carpet might be rapid, but Meghan's show was just in ATS warm-up phase. While others clicked their photo and moved on, or Duchess was still shaking her angle, is my left profile better, or the right? You they think Someone told her the world was waiting for the perfect balance of her shoulder and expression. When the camera finally shut off, other celebs relaxed in corner, chatting over tea. But Meghan, her post-red carpet acting was still going strong. That random loud log out of nowhere made half the room stop mid-conversation just to stare. Photographers were packing up, and there she was, admiring her reflection in the camera lens like it was a royal mirror test. Then began her, look at me. I'm so normal, campaign, casual talk, forced jiggle, fake relatability, irony, she still couldn't stop shaking the camera every few seconds. It's that rare skill only Meghan seemed to have mastered, rehearsed naturalness. Aggie nearly smiled politely, and boom, she hit him with the full Hollywood reaction, oh my god, he didn't see you there. Of course, they'd been standing in front of her the whole time. That's Hollywood's favorite move, fake surprise, real attention. Next came her legendary, thank you hug, so many of them it looked like she was running a charity drive. Every hug perfectly timed for an extra camera pose. Even her gratitude looked choreographed. Then, that classic Meghan moment adjusting her dress, looking straight into the camera, and flashing that PR-approved smile. It's not natural, it's manager scripted perfection. You could almost hear the voice in her head. Smile, hold, blink, turn left, pretend that wasn't intentional. Meanwhile, social media exploded with clip. Fan divided, some saying, she's glowing, others insisting, she's performing. And Meghan, probably watching her own clip thinking, mission accomplished, it ended again. Event organized, on the other hand, looked done, one staff member whispered. Next time, let's just name the event after her, it'll save everyone time. And the royal family, silent, but their expression said everything. No word, just that collective sigh of recognition. Yup, that's our ex-duchess. Always performing, never attending. In the end, one can't help but think Someone really need to tell Meghan that attention and respect are two very different things. Everyone love a bit of camera time. Sure, but some people just can't exist without it. And Meghan, she's exactly that kind where other attend events. She inherits the spotlight.